So I grew up outside of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania, fell in love with the area and never wanted to leave. The first team that I ever joined, it was like a summer league team. That was my thing. So I stuck with it and took me very far, and very blessed for what it gave me and the lessons I've learned. I love fitness. I love helping people. I want to make this my journey. So with direct current, I think when I'm trying to explain it to somebody who's never used the device before, I just ask if they've ever used a TENS unit before. Then moving to the direct current, completely different feeling. I felt like I was able to absorb the current much better. So I actually felt like I could relax into it and just actually go through the movements. Of course, I have things come up like my knees are bothering me, or I have some like overuse in my shoulders from swimming. So I'll place the pads and kind of work through some motions. And it's unbelievable because you think it wouldn't work as quickly as what it does. But sometimes it takes as little as one session for me to notice the difference. But I'd say trust the process because it works. So what's really cool is that with Neuro, you have the personal recovery system. So it's like a smaller unit, up to 250 muscle contractions per second. And I can actually place the pads on a client and be able to stretch them while they're having the contractions go at the same time. That way we can get you into a little bit of a deeper stretch. I've had some people who are just like, hey, I don't really want the muscle contractions. I want to enjoy the stretch, but there's a blood flow setting. So you turn off the contractions and then you just have this continuous blood flow going the entire time to help kind of promote healing. I think the biggest thing why it's not already a hit in triathlon is like, I just don't think people know about it. So I think once the education comes into play, it's going to be a complete game changer. At the same time, people love it. So I think once the secret gets out, people are going to be swearing by it.